Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into JuiceNet for charger status and error codes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into JuiceNet for charger status and error codes, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the JuiceNet website by entering the URL into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login option at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy to avoid any login issues. After confirming your information, click on the Sign In button. Wait a moment for the page to load your account dashboard. Once loaded, locate the section for charger status on your dashboard. If you see multiple chargers, select the one you want to check. For error codes, look for the alerts or notifications related to your charger. Click on any notification for detailed information about the error. Take note of the error code for future reference. If you encounter any difficulties logging in, use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover your account. Now you are ready to monitor your charger status and any associated error codes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.